Hello everyone, Lisette here. In my Work Together Anywhere workshops, we talk about the power of appreciation and the effect that it has on motivation on a team. One of the things we talk about is sending gifts in the mail and the impact that that can have on it, or even just sending a thank you card or saying thank you. The things that I do for participants is I always send them a deck of the virtual meeting cards. One, because it's useful, and two, I want to actually show how it feels to actually get something in the mail. It's really unique. And one of those things you have to experience to fully understand. Well, today I came home and in my mailbox was this beautiful package. And I opened it. And to my surprise, it's a card that says, "Dear Lisette, thank you for making the virtual world so exciting and full of new horizons to discover. I fully enjoyed your workshop and captively am planning to put the tools in practice." From Natalia. And in this box is a beautiful box of tulips. So what I have done is I have arranged my two favorite vases here, and I am going to enjoy having tulips all over my room. And it has totally made my day. The amount of joy and delight that this brings and will continue to bring all week is really lovely. So I wanted to show this, say thank you to Natalia, and to highlight to everybody the power of gratitude and small gestures. It goes a long way. All right, everybody, until next time, I'll see you online. If you want to learn more about how to rock the flexible first workplace, then join one of our live interactive workshops. Our community of professional licensed facilitators will show you how to succeed in this flexible first landscape, happening all over the world and in many different languages. Or join one of our complimentary virtual co-working sessions where we'll show you what a productivity power hour looks like. You'll get things done, meet new people, and hopefully have some fun along the way. Until then, everybody, we'll see you online.